Here we've reached an essential programming construct for robust software development. Try. We're demonstrating the try statement. The try statement is a mechanism for setting up error handling that allows programs to continue running even when problems occur. The try keyword creates a protected code block for error handling, and everything indented under try is watched for potential errors. If errors occur within this block, Python handles them gracefully instead of crashing. The simulator initialization happens within this safety zone. This creates protected code execution within try blocks. If creating the fourth dimension simulator object encounters any problems, maybe missing modules, memory issues, or configuration problems, the try block catches these issues. The concept of defensive programming and graceful error recovery enables robust professional software behavior. Instead of your program crashing with confusing error messages, try blocks prepares for potential problems. This is particularly important for complex scientific simulations like our 4D entity system. Initializing the simulator involves setting up complex data structures, loading physics theories, configuring detection equipment, and preparing consciousness research data. Any of these initialization steps could potentially fail, and the try block ensures your program handles problems professionally. This mirrors real scientific software that would have to handle unexpected conditions gracefully, just how lab equipment continues operating even when individual sensors fail, or research software handles missing data files without crashing. Your program is working to prepare for potential initialization problems.